Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today we're talking about the July 15th Twitter hack. Okay, so on July 15th, tons of Twitter accounts were hacked. Apparently they had access to like the dashboard that Twitter uses themselves. So they easily just took over all of these accounts like Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Kanye, all of these crypto accounts, President Obama, XXX, and they were sending tweets like this. I'm giving back to my community due to COVID-19, yada yada. If you send $1,000, I will send back $2,000, which isn't a thing. It's a typical scam that happens a lot. I don't know why people think it's a real thing, but some people do. So then they provided this Bitcoin wallet address. So people were sending their Bitcoin to this wallet in hopes to get double the amount returned to them, when in reality, it was just a hacker or a scammer attempting to get Bitcoin from people. So here is the scammer Bitcoin wallet. You can come here to blockchain.com and look up any Bitcoin wallet address. So you can see that there's 394 transactions. They collected about 12.87 Bitcoin. You can scroll through and see like all of the transactions here. You know, there's pages of them. And if we go to US dollars, that's about $120,000. So when you currently look at it, it's a pretty unsuccessful hack. Only $120,000. That's a pretty small amount in the grand scheme of things. It's probably common for hacks like that to take place every single day. It just doesn't get seen by the public. However, the thing I would like to point out is that they got 12.87 Bitcoin. Bitcoin is an asset that changes value. So one Bitcoin is currently like $9,000. And this hacker, like, they're leaving it in the wallet for people to see. Bitcoin's currently at 9,000-ish. You know, if it goes to like 100K, this is like a $1.2 million hack. And then people are gonna be like, okay. But I think the big story here about this Twitter hack, again, this is not a Bitcoin hack. This is a Twitter hack. Bitcoin has never been hacked. Bitcoin is secure. People chose to take their Bitcoin and send it to this wallet. Bitcoin is still strong. But I think one of the big stories is that Coinbase, which is one of the biggest Bitcoin or crypto wallets and exchanges, blacklisted the hacker's wallet address, preventing more than 1,000 customers from sending about $280,000 in Bitcoin to this wallet address. So basically, Coinbase saw what was happening. They saw all of these accounts getting hacked. They noticed the scam right away. They made it so that their users cannot send Bitcoin to this wallet address. Their users sent about $3,000 worth of Bitcoin to that address before they noticed it and fixed it. So there's a big controversy, like, should you keep your crypto assets with a service like Coinbase, or should you store them on your own wallet? And a lot of people think, like, if you don't own the private keys, or like you don't have it on your device, then it's not your crypto. I think that's true, but I also think that there's a lot of new people and a lot of dumb people that aren't capable of handling their own crypto. So in this case, Coinbase saved 1,000 of those people. And you also have to think, like, they're handling the Bitcoin. You don't have it on like a hard drive that you could lose or like break, or it gets stolen, or so many things can go wrong with people handling it themselves. So I'm not saying one way or the other way is correct. I just think Coinbase is a viable service to a good portion of the crypto community. So yeah, there's the overview. The hacker got 120K. Would have been probably about 3 times as much if it wasn't for Coinbase that stopped all of those accounts from sending. And you wonder if like other services did the same, you know, they probably would have gotten a lot less Bitcoin. So there's the overview of the July 15th Twitter hack. It's an unfortunate situation, but it could have been a lot worse. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go high.